Hello students, this is the first part of corrosion and its prevention of materials engineering, and I am your teacher Sudipta Nath. So we all are familiar with the term corrosion, and we have seen it mostly in case of ferrous materials. But believe me, other than ferrous materials, there are a number of materials, both elemental and alloy, metallic and non-metallic, the corrosion can take place. Now corrosion, it is a natural phenomena which attacks mostly metal by chemical electrochemical action and converts metal into metallic compound such as oxides, hydroxides, sulfates, etc. Secondly, destruction or deterioration and consequence of loss of solid metallic materials that occurs during corrosion, and starting at its surface due to chemical or electrochemical attack by their environment. And corrosion is the major problem worldwide in all the industrial sector. And that is why corrosion, the study and prevention, that is a major important sector, especially for the industrial region. It impacts on safety, health and environmental issues. Now look at this particular cycle. It is a chart actually. It is the relation between the alloying process and the energy process. So alloying of iron that produces iron, carbon, silicon, magnesium, calcium, zinc, etc. So it produces steel. Although alloying doesn't mean that it will produce steel only. Other than steel, cast iron, wrought iron, etc. that will also be produced from pure iron. But basically we are considering steel for the importance of that particular alloy in the engineering sector in various fields. So when the corrosion process occurs, then the attack of water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. that takes place, and the free ion, that is Fe2 plus, that is generated. So the energy is released and we get hematite iron or Fe2O3, that type of structure. It is a compound, so it is called ferric oxide. So along with ferric oxide, FeO or ferrous oxide, when they are mixed together, then they used to create ferroferric oxide or Fe3O4. So again, energy added by means of heat. So intentionally it is done to obtain the pure iron. So it is a cyclic process by which from iron to alloy to iron oxides are produced, and from there itself the pure iron can be obtained. Now what are the cause or causes of corrosion that we must first understand and study? For example, pure or noble metals such as gold, silver, platinum, aluminum, copper, they do not corrode easily since they are chemically uncombined in their natural state. That is why they are called as noble metals. Okay, but still copper, aluminum is not noble metal, but they are chemically inert in terms of corrosion. Now following condition must exist or must be satisfied for corrosion. First of all, presence of metal that will corrode, that is anode, presence of cathode, then presence of conductive liquid or electrolyte, and fourthly the electrical contact between anode and cathode. This is very important. Then elimination of any one of these conditions will reduce to stop the corrosion process. So what we know from the triangle, we see that cathode, anode and electrolyte, when they are connected together, it produces corrosion. So corrosion triangle, they are very much interconnected. You see that air, moisture and steel material, that is iron oxides. Okay, so If we remove the air, there is no corrosion. Steel and only the water particle, if it is there, then believe me, there is no corrosion. If there is still and dry air, that is removal of moisture, definitely there is again no corrosion. And steel is removed but air and moisture is present, then there is no question of corrosion. So this is called as the corrosion triangle. In the next video, part number 2, we'll discuss about the various methodology and various types of corrosion in detail. Thank you very much.